Hey everybody, this is Uri Kennedy with Mal Realtors, back today to show you a brand new community in Bluffton, South Carolina. This community is called Midpoint at New Riverside and is built by Pulte. Today we're going to show you one of two models. This is the Palmary model. It's a 2 to 4 bedroom, 1,800 to 2,800 square feet. This one today is equipped as a 2-bedroom with an office space, 2 bathrooms, but you can do an upstairs area. We'll show you when we go inside. Let me show you some of my favorite features. First feature I love is obviously the wide entryway and this front porch that you can decorate any way you want. I love the gas lanterns that they have here as well. Really adds a Lowcountry touch. As you come in, you'll see a nice wide foyer, which is great for decorating. Right quick to the left, we have a front bedroom. This is upgraded engineered hardwood. This is their level 5, one of the nicest floors that you can get with Pulte. Almost looks like a tile, very durable, amazing floor here. You have a half bath in here for your guests. On the left-hand side here, we have a flex space. This one is done as an office with 2 French doors. A drop zone for stuff after you come out of your garage. This will be the garage entrance with the laundry room. Right now it's set up as a command center because this is the model home for Pulte. You'll see some storage here. We talked before how it could be a 2-story. If it was a 2-story, your staircase would be here to go upstairs and you could have the option for another bedroom, loft area, and another bathroom as well. But my favorite part of the home is just as soon as you turn the corner, the openness. The beams up here, while they do add a beautiful accent, that is not something Pulte adds, but they are tray ceilings. And they just want to show you what you can do with it after you purchase the home as well. Nice quartz countertops throughout again. Quartz throughout the home. We have a gas range here in this community. It's a gas community with a nice farmhouse sink. Beautiful storage. You thought I was going to another room, but I'm not. This is just the pantry here. Tons of room and storage for your food here in the pantry. Nice soft close drawers. Cabinets. Beautiful property, nice options as well. Some of the lighting is beautiful as well. Not quite an option you can pick, but again, just to give you ideas of what you could do with the space and make it your own. I love the dedicated dining area here. And then we have a nice sunroom and a screened-in porch. The screened-in porch has cascading slider doors that can open from either side, which is pretty nice as well. Just gives you more options. Nice space, enough space on here to have another table if you needed, with an exterior area to grill and chill. You know we like our grilling and chilling. House isn't complete without it. Nice cobblestone pavers out here. And then we do have this beautiful lagoon. And if you remember our buddy next door, right down there hanging out. So again, just to remind everybody, we are in the south. There are alligators in the lagoons. Please don't walk closer along the lagoons. They won't bother you, you don't bother them. Let's go take a look inside. Outdoor kitchen, again, is available from Pulte. They will add this, run a gas line right to the house. Outside, external tankless water heater and pest control boxes on the exterior of the property as well, just like the next door model. Hardy plank siding, always a plus. Easy maintenance, carefree. We're going to go over and take a look at the primary bedroom. Last stop on the tour today for the Palmary floor plan. Mechanical closet, easy access here. Nice and easy to service for you. The crown jewel, where most people will spend a lot of their time, at least probably 8 hours a day, here in your primary bedroom. And this is the upgraded shower. There are a few different options you can do for your bathroom. You can do a tub shower combo, a bigger shower, or a smaller shower with some storage space. This is the extended upgraded shower option. Come on in and take a look at this one. I think you'll enjoy it. Dual vanity sinks again, quartz countertops. You notice here we have another giant walk-in closet, again with this engineered hardwood upgrade here. So just nice flooring, nice options, nice upgrades throughout. This is the Palmary floor plan in Midpoint at New Riverside with Pulte. I'm sure you'd like some more information as it is a brand new community. We have pricing, incentives, different floor plans. Give me a call. We can talk more about it. My name is Yuri with Mal Realtors. You can reach me at 843-604-2010. Thank you and have a wonderful day.